I don't actually have like a set schedule or like, meal plan. I just kind of go off of kind of what I'm feeling. So I'll do typically after my workouts is always my first meal. I'll typically have like a good serving of mango and strawberry with, I'll cook maybe like seven eggs, but two of them whole eggs, and then the rest can be like egg whites or something. Then I typically will have rice with either chicken or steak to fill up most of my protein requirements. And then the rest of the day I'll have whatever the case may be. If I go get sushi that day, then I'll factor that in. Or if I go get like burgers or something, as long as it all kind of fits my macros and I maintain pretty much a 80% whole foods based diet, then that's pretty much what I'm going to have. But it's never really consistent. I just kind of go based on whatever I'm in the mood for, which is the beauty of flexible dieting.